So I'm Olivier Bassard. I'm a data project manager at Innovafeed. Innovafeed is a biotechnology company and a leading insect producer for plant and animal nutrition. So what we do is we try to contribute to a sustainable industry, a food industry, by developing pioneering and innovative technologies around insect rearing. So we were looking at implementing a platform that could ingest all the data. So we've got a growing volume of data, and we've got a growing volume of analysis and reports that we also need to build. And so that was the first challenge we needed to solve. The second one was also around a proper, structured and governed data ingestion process. So we've got a data warehouse, which is Snowflake, and we needed a structured way to collect all the data from all the different sources within the different factories and also on the cloud, and push them into a structured, governed environment. And especially in the beginning, in the early days, we were relying heavily on manual processes, manual Excel sheets, Google Sheets, and other manual ways to ingest or process the data, and it was very decentralized. So that was good because it was agile and it didn't cost much at that time. But as we scaled up, as we were ramping up, we needed a more governed and performant system. So that means, because of Matillion, we can address new use cases in an agile and fast manner. So we can create new processes within minutes and answer business questions really quickly. We can make data available to a broader audience. So we have different data sources across factories and in the cloud. And Matillion is a unified way to collect all the information from all these different sources and make it available in a single platform later on. But it really is the essential piece of the puzzle that brings all together. It's easy to use. So it's not sitting in the realm of 2 or 3 key users. Matillion is used by the whole data team and sometimes also even business users, which is a great thing for us because there are no dependencies, and we're building a resilient team and resilient processes. So one business case we had was extracting sensor data from the factories. So in each production site, we have hundreds, if not thousands of sensors that are producing information on an hourly basis, even more frequently actually. And we needed a system that could ingest all that data and push it into our cloud data warehouse. That information was on site. So we were connecting to that on-premise system, pushing it into our cloud data warehouse, and in a way we're also enriching that data with other data sources that are sitting elsewhere. So it's a critical point for us because temperature, humidity, luminosity, for instance, are key drivers of performance, and being able to extract this information, process it very rapidly is key for us, because we can detect all the different changes and then act on them within hours. People who are joining the data team are getting becoming self-sufficient within just a couple of weeks, which is really valuable for us because the team is growing pretty fast. So being able to just be self-sufficient and create new processes in full autonomy within a couple of weeks, it's just I've never seen that in any other ETL tool. The more people who are able to maintain, change, or build new processes in Matillion, the better it is, because we're not relying on one or two key individuals. We're sharing the knowledge because it's very intuitive, very easy to use platform. So we're going to have more and more factories, more and more sites around the globe. So the fact that we are on the cloud platform enables us to easily connect to new systems, whether they're in the US, for instance, or anywhere in Europe or in Asia. It's going to support the ramp up of our data warehouse platform, again in ensuring optimal governance and structure. And also there's a big thing on security as well, because we want to protect our IP, and we want to protect the information we have, and Matillion is a great way to collect information from multiple sources and put it into a more governed and secured platform.